Beautiful afternoon to everyone. I am excited to show you the goddess beauty of all Ilongga candidates for Little Miss Pacific World International Pageant. And of course, Little Mr. and Little Miss Teen Philippines Fashionista 2023 pre-pageant show. Let's start showing all of you the behind the scene and the preparation of all candidates backstage. How I wish to have a beautiful daughter like her. So beautiful. You can see parents too are very supportive with their children. Like doing makeup, doing hairstyle, and of course, moral and financial support for them. Okay, I will go around to show you more beautiful, cute little Ilonggas who are eager to win the crown for Little Miss Pacific World International and Little Mr. and Miss Teen Pacific Fashionistas 2023. I can tell that these young ladies have a better future in beauty pageant and as well as in modeling world. This young lady came from Pototan, Iloilo, and ready to win the heart of the audience with her killer smile. Good luck, girl! I have seen candidates who have a cheering squad ready to cheer for them. Good luck, girl, and good luck to all the candidates. I'll ask question to the two young ladies and I will check how smart and witty they are. So let's start now. You're cute. 2, 3, go. If you will be chosen as the winner, what will you tell other children so that they will also join like you?
I will tell them to be confident and be brave and be just like me.
Wow, thank you so much. Very good answer. Thank you. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, go. Good afternoon. This is a beautiful lady and I will ask her
To establish a significant international franchised beauty pageant that would bring passionate Filipino youth to the international pageantry stage.
Publication, Fashion A magazine for 1 year. The beauty pageant and the modeling competition are divided into 3 categories, such as kids, 5 to 8 years old, preteens, 9 to 13 years old, and authenticity, 40%, mastery and performance, 20%, for a total of 100%. The talent competition will contribute a total of 25%. The overall total.
Welcome to the pre-pageant competition! But before we proceed, let us introduce our distinct board of judges, starting with... She is a Master Teacher 1 of Pasig National High School. Master Teacher 2. Chairman of Pasig City Kapistahan Coronation and Binibining Pintados de Pasig, Board of Trustee Pasikon 2000 INC. A lover of beauty, arts, and culture. Ma'am Lorly Estaniel Panero. Our next judge is a 3-time national winner in photography contest, Film Debt Council of the
Ladies and gentlemen, let's the show begin.
Audio Jungle.
My name is Athena Reyes
Jungle.